Inaugurated. What will you tell us about it?
Indeed, we are so much happy, especially those of us that are in the Northeast, because thousands of our people were displaced. Some were taking refuge in the Republic of Chad, in the Republic of Niger, Cameroon. And this is the time that the federal government of Nigeria, in collaboration with the state's government of the Northeast, will facilitate the repatriation of the internally displaced persons that are living in our neighboring countries to Nigeria. The committee is also to look into the management of the repentant Boko Haram members. So indeed we are so grateful, and the entire Northeastern state government will give maximum support to this committee. We will provide the necessary support to the federal government under the distinguished leadership of Mr. President. We shall provide all support to the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs and others, and the military, to ensure that this process yielded the desired result.
So this issue of repentant Boko Haram, are you confident that they are truly repentant?
100% confident, yes.
What gave you the courage and confidence?
Well, there is no any process that is perfect in the entire world, but so far so good. The process has yielded positive result. I believe over 90% of those that have surrendered are doing well and have given the government the necessary support. They are also calling their colleagues in the bush to come out and join the process of peace building.
Your Excellency, you might have interacted with some of these refugees that have been expected. Are they ready to come back home? How prepared are they?
In fact, they are over ready. They have been agitating for return since last year, since last 2.5 years. But unfortunately, the enabling environment has not been created for their return. But now that the federal government has acted well, all the necessary resources and the materials needed to ensure their return in a dignified manner will be provided by the federal government, and we remain extremely grateful.
How about collaboration between you and your neighbors, the other states in the Northeast?
This is very important. The inter-collaboration is also important. With all the Northeastern states, we have a forum that we call Northeastern Governors Forum. And then secondly, we are also collaborating very well with our neighboring countries, especially Chad, Niger, Cameroon. We are doing very well, and I think this process will go smoothly. Thank you very much.
How soon will they return?
I think it's okay.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.